People are more likely to do things for you or become emotionally attached to you if they feel like they owe you something. Creating a sense of indebtedness doesn't mean manipulation for selfish gain. It's about understanding the psychology of reciprocity and making someone feel they need to return a favor. Here's how to make someone feel like they owe you everything. Step 1. Do something for them without expectation. One of the quickest ways to create the feeling of indebtedness is to do something for someone without expecting anything in return. The more selfless your action appears, the more they'll feel a sense of obligation. For instance, if you offer your help when they didn't ask for it, or if you give them something meaningful without any strings attached, they will feel a sense of debt to you. Over time, this will make them more likely to return the favor or to be emotionally bound to you. Step 2. Make them feel special. To make someone feel indebted, you need to make them feel unique and valued. This could be as simple as remembering their personal details, like their favorite food or something they've mentioned in passing, and then surprising them with a thoughtful gesture. When you show someone that they matter, they feel a deep need to repay you in some way. This sense of owing you comes from the feeling that you've gone out of your way to make them feel important. Step 3. Plant seeds of reciprocity. You can subtly hint at what you'd like in return without directly asking for anything. If you help someone, you might say something like, "I'm glad I could help, but I'm sure you'll repay me in some way." This makes them aware that there's an expectation, but it doesn't pressure them directly. The idea of reciprocity plays a psychological trick where they feel like they have to do something to return the favor, and over time, they begin to owe you more and more. By doing selfless acts, making them feel special, and planting seeds of reciprocity, you can make someone feel like they owe you everything. May wisdom guide you until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.